every engineering team has faced this problem. A bug gets reported, someone spends hours investigating it, and only later realizes the exact issue had already been solved weeks ago. The solution existed in Slack, Jira, GitHub, or internal documentation, but no one knew where to look. That's why we built Recall, an AI-powered issue management assistant that transforms your organization's scattered knowledge into a single searchable memory, helping teams resolve issues faster and eliminate duplicate work. Let's see Recall in action. Here, a new issue is posted in our engineering Slack channel. As soon as the message appears, Recall begins analyzing the issue in the background and searches across our engineering knowledge. Within seconds, Recall identifies that this problem has already been resolved and responds directly in the Slack thread. The response includes the ticket status, severity, the source of the resolution, and a concise AI-generated summary explaining the issue. Recall also provides a direct link to the existing Jira ticket, allowing engineers to quickly review the complete history. Next, we open Jira, where we can see the original issue that was previously created and tracked by the engineering team. From there, Recall also references the GitHub commit that resolved the issue. Opening the commit lets engineers immediately understand what code changes fixed the problem. Instead of manually searching across Slack, Jira, and GitHub, engineers receive all the relevant context in one place, directly inside Slack. Finally, let's look at another issue. Here, a new production error is posted in Slack. Since no existing resolution is available, Recall recognizes it as a new incident and is ready to create a new Jira issue with the appropriate details, allowing the team to begin tracking and resolving it immediately. Behind the scenes, Recall orchestrates Slack, GitHub, Jira, OpenSearch, and Slack AI into a single intelligent workflow. When a new issue is posted in Slack, Recall searches historical Slack conversations, checks GitHub and Jira through MCP, and performs semantic search across documentation using OpenSearch. Slack AI then combines this context to decide whether to surface an existing solution or automatically create a new Jira issue. Recall doesn't replace your existing tools, it connects them. By turning scattered knowledge into an intelligent organizational memory, Recall helps engineering teams resolve issues faster. Thank you.